Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'm an investment advisor and here in Russia I work with extremely rich people. So I sell assets from their private collections. It can be gemstones, antiquities or real estate. Today I would like to tell you about one situation that has happened with me some days ago. One person from financial world interviewed me and asked different questions about which I had never thought before. And one actually catched my attention, and the answer really was unexpected for me. And after interview, I continued thinking about my initial thoughts, feelings, and why I got such answer. So the question was, how flexible are you? Very often people try to be more kind, more respectful, more interesting, more flexible, to show another person that he is excellent, that he is amazing, and this person should give him different opportunities. For example, if we talk about job interviews or communication with clients or even friendship. And of course, flexibility is quite an important characteristics for professions related to business world, investments. And my answer was, I am 99% flexible for clients and 60% from 100% flexible for others. And actually I understood that at that moment that I lied and it was not truth in reality. So if I answered this question only for myself, not for social media, for people from financial world or something like that, I would answer that I am 40% flexible for others. And very often people I think answer this question in the majority, in average. So, I have different characteristics, features of my character, and I am a quite flexible person, and all people are similar, they are equal for me. That is why I don't think that I should be more flexible for that person, because I have my average percentage. So I hope that you understand what I want to tell you, that very often people don't share people, and maybe inside they can think that I am more interested in this individual because of his money or because of his charisma, for example, because of different characteristics. But when a person answers such common question, how flexible are you, he will not think about such details, because for many people it is not so important. So they are not selfish in such way. They can think about people more equally. So they have some percentage of their own character, that they are flexible, not flexible, or very flexible, yes? But my answer show the reality, the real attitude to people around. So for me, this is the most important factor when I communicate with people. So for me, the flexibility is not about only me. It is about people around, and I am like a professional person in investments, and because of the fact that I actually communicate with the richest people of our country, who live in the most luxury areas in Moscow, who are my clients or my friends, etc. And the answer that I'm like flexible for people who are important for me, who like have money or who are important clients, and they can not give me money, but they can help me to develop myself. So they can give my contact, my telephone number to another rich person, for example. So the help can be different. And so my answer that I am 99% percent flexible for like clients and people who are extremely important for me for career, firstly. And I'm like flexible in reality for 40% for others. So it is not my answer to that person who interviewed me, but it is my inside thoughts. It means that I share people, and this moment plays essential role in my life, and I think that it helps me to succeed. This is my winning formula, that I have my personal wishes, ambitions, and in average, people don't play any role in your life, and it is quite reasonable to be more involved in relationships that are good for you, that will bring you results in the future, benefit. And benefit cannot be only related to money. It can be like your social links, the development of your social links, or that this person is very, very clever and talented. And when you communicate with him, you become better professional, for example. So benefit can be different. It is not only about money. And when you communicate only, when you give energy, it should be useful. You are not like a person with unlimited time, unlimited energy, unlimited resources. So I can choose to whom I can give my opportunities, to whom I can give my time, my energy, again, my power. So only this like sharing help me to be focused on the most important things. And I think this is more about like priorities. And very often people don't understand how to manage their like life manage their career time when you can work, I mean. And it is all about priorities. People around who are like not my bosses, who don't give me money, who want something for themselves, they are not in my priority. And for them, I am like 40% flexible. But for those who will bring me like different different resources, who can help me, who can be useful, and who can develop my career opportunities. For them, I can be more flexible. So I can close my eyes to something. I cannot mention something. I cannot notice something. And you should understand that people are not equal. All have different wishes, ambitions, and some people can seem useful, but in reality, even if they have a lot of money and opportunities, they cannot not share them with you, and in such case they are not important for you at all. So I thought about my answer to the question, how flexible are you, for several hours, and maybe not for hours, but in the evening or during I drive my car, I catch myself that I think about this. So it was interesting for me that I got such answer, because I really think that people don't say like this. They have like more average data, so they can think about how they communicate with all people, and they don't divide people. And I really think that the problem why people don't do it, because they don't have such priorities. So they don't prioritize something like I. It is my approach, and it is my winning formula too. So if you want to be successful, it is a combination of different factors, and you should be very close to those who have already achieved something. And if you want to know how to become more successful and rich, you can leave an application to my business training. The link will be below.